Hello and welcome to Investigation 3.2.
Modeling the water cycle.
All right, first thing we need to do is make this little chart. I think you can do that pretty easy.
Okay, then we're going to take our water that's in a small cup.
Why is it blue?
And we're going to weigh it. And we're going to make sure that our weight is in grams.
24 grams is the water plus the small cup.
Okay, then we're going to take the same size small cup. This time it's filled with some crushed ice.
That looks nicely crushed.
And the mass is?
23. Now, let's see, total means we're going to add them. 24 plus 23. Is that right? Oh, golly gosh, hope I'm right. Then what?
It's right. Then we're going to take these two little cups and we're going to place them in this larger container.
Oh
Hopefully
boy.
they fit.
Oh, and don't spill. Okay, so we've got the ice and the blue water.
And then we're going to put the lid on securely.
Secure lid without spilling the contents inside. Then what, Miss Dennis?
Then we're going to turn on the heat lamp.
Whoa.
And we want them to be heated evenly for 24 hours without touching.
Okay, so we'll see you here tomorrow. But first, don't leave. You've got to, underneath in your journal where you've made this chart, you're going to need day 1 observations. Then you need to observe this.
What do you notice about this container and what's in it?
Okay, and what do you notice? Oh, I'm trying to get you a no glare angle. I'm doing a splendid job. There you go. All right, can you handle that? Day 1. We will see you here back later. It won't actually be tomorrow for you. It'll be tomorrow for us. All right, gang, welcome to day 2. So in your journal, you should already have all of this, and now you've added day 2 observations. And then I'm going to show you the secret stuff, and you're going to want to fill in some observations. Remember, after you see, it's okay to pause the video to write down your observations or type them up.
Let's see what happened.
All right, Mrs. Dennis, what's going on here? I see something happening right here on the lid.
Yes,
Okay.
underneath, it's definitely not wet.
Yeah, it's not on top for sure. And let's see if we can get in here real close. Ooh, I feel like I do need this light actually. Watch out, it's gonna blow you out a little bit. Gosh. Oh. Kind of see, there definitely is no ice. The ice is gone, and there's actually some little bubbles on the inside of that cup. Let's look at this blue water. The blue water has some condensation. You can just see, oh gosh, where's my finger? Condensation on the inside of that little cup. And I think we can turn that big light off now. Okay, and then here's the tub that it is in. Look at all that condensation. We got some really big drops, and then some little drops, and a lot of little ones. Even on the lid. Okay, so take a minute to look and write down your observations. So pause here and come back when you're done. All right, so now that you're back, we're going to take the lid off. And
let's start with water and small cup. We're going to find the mass again.
19. Okay.
19
Ooh, excuse me. Pardon me. Do you think I could write left-handed, guys? I'm not left-handed. I feel like that was pretty good. 19. Okay.
This is the cup that had ice in it.
So this used to be ice.
Oh, let's zero it out. We're good.
18. Oh, so fascinating. Huh. Interesting. Here's what they were yesterday. Here's what they are today. What's 19 plus 18? I better do that right-handed. Let's see. 17, carry the 1. 37. What? what is going on here? So what you need to do now is that you've made all your observations. You're going to do number 8. Okay, so read in your science book what number 8 is, but it'll say something to similar of add the masses of the 2 measuring cups. Done. Record the total in the table. Done. You guys are really on track. And how does this value compare to the total mass calculated on day 1? So number 8's want you to compare this number to this number and what you think happened. Pause here. Do that.
Okay, now we have an empty container, same size as these. We're going to put it on a scale, but you'll notice it has a mass. So we're going to zero that out because we are curious. Oh, maybe. There we go. We are curious as to how much liquid might have been collected in here from the condensation.
So Mrs. Dennis is trying to shake all those little droplets down.
We'll get as many as we can.
Make it as accurate as possible.
Okay, let's see how much liquid is in this container.
Ooh. Oh boy. Oh, I think we can get more, Mrs. Dennis. Do you think you can get some more?
Oh, maybe.
Oh, golly gosh.
Maybe I can use my finger.
Good idea.
Scrape the sides.
Oh, I wish that were ice
I'm sure
cream.
it's clean water.
Oh, for sure. I poured that ice out.
Okay, every last drop, well, as close as we can get.
Okay, so do note that there's still a little left in that tub, but we're at almost 9. Almost 9, but it stops at 8, so we'll put 8. So, interesting. I'm going to put up here 8 grams of condensation. That should lead into some of what you're going to answer for number 8. Okay? Then when you're done with number 8, do number 9, and you are done for the day. Thanks for joining us.